I've heard the exact same question asked 3 times in the last 5 days. And I mean exact same question. And if I've heard a question asked that many times in such a short time frame, it's likely that you are asking it as well. Hey there, AmyK here. On 3 separate coaching calls, I've had leaders pose, "But does it even matter?" And that's always been in context to how they are trying to bring light and love to places of darkness, whether that was to a human being or a situation. People who are suffering, who are experiencing anxiety and stress and burnout at work, to people who are suffering in their personal lives, to challenging seasons of business development and growth, to really challenging times of geopolitical movement and changing compliance and legislation and political differences. And people are experiencing darkness right now. And these leaders were stymied by the fact that they were trying to do something and then they were like, but is it enough? Is it even going to make a difference? Does it even matter? And that weighs heavy on my heart because the honest, most truthful answer that I can give is emphatically yes. Emphatically yes. Whether the act is small or large, your willingness to show up and bring love and light to where it has not been is some of the most important and seminal work that we as leaders do. Whether it's somebody who's frustrated at work and you say, I understand. What do you need most from me right now? Whether it's somebody who's sharing their hurt and their suffering in your personal life and you show up to actively listen and engage and restore their sense of self and dignity and you say, I understand. I love you. I see you. People need to know that what they are doing, what they are experiencing has a loving witness to it. And you are their witness. You taking the time to be patient, forgiving, kind, civil, loving in a world that is filled with the opposite: impatience, unforgiveness, unkindness, incivility, restores dignity to our humanity. We need your light. And I know I am constantly saying I am here to make sure that we keep your light lit in a world that is constantly trying to dim it. Well, one of the most beautiful and exponential ways to do that is to show up for somebody else and help them keep their light lit. Because when you help somebody else fuel their light, it is a win for them, it is a win for you, and it is a win for the world. And our world could desperately use some light right now, very specifically yours. And so yes, it matters. It matters very much indeed. From my heart to yours, hugs.